Today we're going to take a walking tour of the Majestic Mirage, located in Punta Cana. When you first arrive to the resort, you'll see a beautiful lobby. But that's not where you check in. Because the entire resort is at club level, you have a special check-in for the adults and also for the families. The check-in areas are right off the main lobby. In the adult check-in area, you can have a drink and something to eat. You'll then be assigned a butler, who will take you to your room and give you a short tour of the resort. The family check-in area is also right off the main lobby. And as you can see, it's set up to keep the kids occupied while mom and dad check in. Now it's off to your room. There are 7 main buildings. Buildings 1 and 2 are the darker shaded buildings, which are for the families. Then comes buildings 3 and 4, and then 5, 6, and 7, which are for the adults. Here's a view looking down the center of the resort. As you can see, the buildings run on the left and right side of the resort. The standard room is a 2-room suite with a spacious living area with plenty of room to hang out. The living area also has its own bathroom right off the front door. Right off the living room area is a sliding glass door, which leads you to the bedroom and the main bathroom. Let's take a look. Right off the room is the balcony, complete with a hot tub and some beautiful views. But let's face it, when you come to Punta Cana, you'll want to be outdoors. Let's take a look around the outside of the Majestic Mirage. The pools run along the sides of the buildings. Let's take a look. As you can imagine, there are plenty of pool bars. And after a few drinks, you may even try Zumba on the beach, completely out of step. Oh, and by the way, the beach here is beautiful. Right off the beach is the club lounge, where you can get something to eat all day. Speaking of food, there are plenty of choices here at the Majestic Mirage. Down at the beach is the beautiful seaside restaurant. Open air with views of the beach and the resort. Off of the main lobby bar, there's the French, the Japanese, and the Italian restaurants. Off the main plaza, you'll find the steakhouse restaurant and the sports bar, which is open 24 hours a day. And of course, there is always the main buffet. The main buffet is located to the right of the main lobby bar, while the plaza is located to the left of the main lobby bar. The main lobby bar is beautiful and is a great gathering place in the evening. Take a look. As mentioned, next to the main lobby bar is the plaza. Around the plaza, on the first and second levels, you'll find a great coffee shop, a gym, a photo shop, the steakhouse, the sports bar, a drugstore, and the excursion office. In the evening, they have bands playing on the plaza. And right next to the plaza is the theater where nightly shows are held. And if after all that fun you feel you need a massage to loosen up those tight muscles, head on over to the spa, which is a short walk from the Mirage. Take this short wooden bridge over to the spa, and you have arrived. Well, that completes our walking tour of the Majestic Mirage in Punta Cana. But of course, no trip to the Mirage would be complete without attending one of their weekly pool parties. Until next time, safe travels.